The person who views my Instagram the most isn't my ex. It isn't some stranger. It's the personal trainer who rebuilt my body after my divorce, and he hasn't said one word to me in a year. Back then, I was falling apart. He showed up at 6 a.m. 4 days a week and made me believe I could be strong again. All business, kind, but professional. On our last session, he just said, "You don't need me anymore." And then, nothing. No calls, no texts. So last month, I finally checked who actually views my profile the most. I expected my mom, maybe an old friend. Instead, one name sat right at the top, his, 89 times in 30 days, every night between 9 and 10 p.m., the exact hour we used to train. And it got stranger. His views spiked on certain days. The day I posted a gym photo, 11 views. The day I mentioned I'd met someone new, 14. The night I wrote, 1 year stronger and finally happy, he opened my profile 6 times before midnight. He never likes, never comments, he just watches. I told 2 friends, sure, I was losing my mind. They checked their own profiles. One found her old physical therapist. The other, a coach from years ago. Same pattern, same silence. Then it hit me. He didn't just rebuild my body. He watched me rebuild my entire life. And part of him speeds to know it lasted. The quietest watchers aren't strangers. They're the ones who saw us at our lowest. I only found any of this because of one tool that shows exactly who keeps coming back. If you've ever felt someone watching from the shadows, the link is in the description. You'll see everything.